Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to solve your problem when there is no public button in the ticket and the client cannot open it because of returning an error. Alright, so let's split this into two parts. So the first part is when there is no public button into the ticket itself. So this problem is more of a support engineer problem. So when you have logged in as a support engineer and go into a help desk ticket, you see that there is no public button here. So yeah, the solution of this problem is that you have to go to administration that is located in the top right corner and then go to plugins, then help desk configure, and then public tickets. Here you have to make sure to enable public tickets. Okay, so when we return back to the ticket and just refresh it, we see that the public link button is now appearing. So we click on it and the public ticket view is now ready for seeing. Okay, so the second part of this problem is then when a client cannot open it because of returning an error. Firstly, let's say that into the help desk auto reply template, we have predefined the public link via the help desk macro for the public URL. So when a client opens a ticket, then he automatically receives this message, and when he clicks on the link itself, then there is error. So yeah, I'm going to demonstrate it to you and see what I am talking about. So we are now into a client's email, and we send a request to our help desk, that is demo@redmineup.com, testing the public ticket view. Okay, so let's go and collect the mail first. Alright, so the email is collected. Our request has come, testing the public ticket view. So the client has received a auto reply. So here it is, the auto reply has just arrived. Yeah, so we see the auto message. We hereby confirm that we have received your message. So there is a public URL at the end, and when the client clicks on it, then there is an error not found. Okay, so this error is appearing because the ticket itself is private. So the ticket is private, that's why this problem is appearing. So when we edit the ticket and remove the private check, we are now going to use the link correctly. So we return back to the client's email and try to open it again. So here it is successfully opened because the ticket is no more private. Okay, so when the ticket initially is coming to be private, then most likely this feature is enabled into the help desk main configurations. So if you would like to fix this problem, then you have to go to administration and then plugins and then help desk configure. And here is an option, create private tickets. So you disable this and then apply the changes. Alright, yeah, let's try again and see if the initial ticket is going to work correctly. So yeah, we go to the client's email again and compose a new message. Second try with the private feature disabled. Alright, so let's go and collect the email again. Alright, here is our new email, second try with the private feature disabled. So when we open the ticket, we see that there is no private label here. So the ticket by default now is not a private ticket. Alright, so when we go to the client's email, we see the auto reply has just come. And when we click on the URL, here it is as a message, second try with the private feature disabled. So when we click on the URL, everything is working correctly and fine. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was useful and helpful for you. If you like it, you could check other articles and videos into our help desk documentation. So thanks again for watching this, and bye bye for now.